Dove's Hurricane Shack Update. Valid at Sunday, September 25, 2022 at 3:43 UTC. Update on Tropical Storm Ian. Ian is now in an environment of low shear and high atmospheric moisture and over waters of high ocean heat content. Once the circulation becomes vertically stacked, which should be soon, these conditions favor rapid intensification while Ian moves over the northwestern Caribbean Sea. By days 4 and 5, global models are leaning toward a scenario where Ian enters into an environment of very strong southwesterly shear, and weakening is therefore expected while Ian approaches the coast of the Florida Panhandle. That said, Ian is likely to have an expanding wind field and will be slowing down by that time, which will have the potential to produce significant wind and storm surge impacts despite any potential weakening. Users are urged to not focus on specific forecast intensities in the 4 and 5 day forecasts and instead focus on the potential hazards Ian may produce across portions of Florida.